My name is Patrick Rano. I am the lead service advisor at Team One. Team One Automotive is different. I've been in the business for about 20 years, dealerships, independent shops. We're kind of a mix of both. We do custom stuff, we do go-fast parts, we do regular run-of-the-mill repairs. That's kind of what sets us apart is our software. We have all the dealer software, hardware that most independent shops don't have. So it's kind of, we're kind of a only place in town, I think, that is like that. People who love cars, have a love for the industry, not just people who are looking for a job per se, but just people who are really motivated and just love being in this industry and being around this kind of stuff. People who are not motivated, people who are kind of lazy, people who don't like a fast-paced environment, people who can't keep up with orders and to-do lists and tasks and stuff like that. Just it's a real fast-paced environment and a lot of people can't handle it. My favorite thing is just the employee base we have here, our technicians, our service advisors, parts guys, owners. It's just a very cohesive environment. Our customer base kind of sets us apart as well. We have a very good customer base, clientele, and they like us and we love them, and it just goes together really well. If you're thinking about applying, make sure you are motivated. Make sure you can handle a fast-paced environment. Don't be lazy and know what you're doing. Don't be too scared to ask for help if you don't know what you're doing. As long as you can do that, I think you'll be good.